Hey everybody, Carl from Abt here. We're at CES 2018 in the LG booth, and we've got Randy who's going to show us some intelligent laundry solutions. Is that right?
It's all about LG ThinQ technology, and it's all about artificial intelligence. So we can embed voice control into our actual appliances, but they can also start thinking for us and start learning our habits. So just for example, here's one of these beautiful laundry sets that I'm sure many of you have seen, either there at your wonderful store, or hopefully many of you own these, but we're going to bring in more intelligence into our laundry sets. It's going to start learning our habits every day. So just for example, let's say when I do a normal cycle, I'll come in and do some adjustments on some of my options here, and then tomorrow when I come back and I'm doing delicates, I like to customize that a certain way. This machine's going to start learning my everyday habits. So every time I come back, it's going to kind of average out my option choices and already choose those for me. So it's kind of anticipating my every move without me even having to worry about it.
Yeah, that's great.
That's
so
kind of interesting.
No more having to worry about resetting it every single time you're going to do a load of laundry. It's going to learn that.
It learns your habits and just makes life a little bit easier.
Yeah, it sure does. All right, guys, we've got some great stuff here at LG CES 2018. Make sure you stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe so you get updates on all the great content we're putting up.